Here's a list of some important historical events that happened on December 22nd. The deadly Damghan earthquake 856. On December 22, 856, a powerful earthquake struck near the city of Damghan in present-day Iran. It is considered one of the deadliest earthquakes in recorded history. Entire towns and villages were destroyed within moments. Historical accounts estimate that around 200,000 people lost their lives. Homes collapsed, and strong aftershocks continued to shake the region. The disaster deeply affected local life and trade for many years. Beethoven premieres his Fifth Symphony 1808. On December 22, 1808, composer Ludwig van Beethoven premiered his famous Fifth Symphony in Vienna. The concert also introduced his Sixth Symphony and Fourth Piano Concerto on the same evening. The performance was long, lasting nearly 4 hours, and featured many new works. Audiences were surprised by Beethoven's bold and dramatic musical style. The opening notes of the Fifth Symphony became some of the most recognizable in music history. This night marked a major moment in classical music. Lincoln Tunnel opens to traffic 1937. On December 22, 1937, the Lincoln Tunnel officially opened, connecting New York City and New Jersey. Built beneath the Hudson River, the tunnel allowed vehicles to travel between the two states more easily. Its opening greatly reduced travel time and improved trade and commuting. Named after President Abraham Lincoln, the tunnel was praised for its modern engineering. Drivers welcomed the convenience of this new route. Today, it remains a vital transportation link. Bernhard Goetz subway shooting 1984. On December 22, 1984, Bernhard Goetz shot 4 young men on a subway train in New York City. He claimed the shooting was an act of self-defense during a robbery attempt. The incident quickly gained national attention and became known as the subway vigilante case. It sparked intense debates about crime, racism, and personal safety in urban areas. Goetz was later acquitted of attempted murder charges. The case left a lasting impact on discussions about law and justice. First Christmas tree with electric lights 1882. On December 22, 1882, Edward H. Johnson introduced the first Christmas tree decorated with electric lights. He displayed the tree in his New York City home, using 80 small colored bulbs. At the time, most Christmas trees were lit with candles, which were dangerous and caused fires. Johnson's idea amazed visitors and proved much safer. The invention quickly gained popularity and spread across the world. Electric Christmas lights soon became a holiday tradition. If you enjoyed this video, please like it and subscribe to our channel for more interesting content. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new video. We'd also love to hear from you, so leave a comment below and share your thoughts. Thanks for watching.